Sound Transit is a rapid transit light rail system in the Seattle, Washington area. Early in 2018, the company identified a 5-mile-long section of rail line for vegetation clearing, including segments which run through environmentally sensitive greenbelt areas. This section of line had been lightly maintained since its installation approximately 10 years prior. However, many of the trees had matured, and bringing it under control would require additional tools and expertise. Sound Transit was concerned that if not properly addressed, overgrown vegetation could soon present a hazard to passing trains and/or cause conditions that could contribute to line shutdown. Davey Tree Surgery Company was hired mid-year to clear vegetation from the lines. With a certified arborist on staff, they were able to quickly identify trees and other vegetation presenting the possibility of falling onto the line, growing into the rail deck, or otherwise damaging rail lines or equipment. Because this section of line runs adjacent to private property in many places, it was also necessary for Davey to accommodate the scheduling needs of various property owners. Due to excellent advanced planning on the part of Sound Transit and a good working relationship between the two companies, the project progressed in a timely fashion with no incidents. 98% of the work was completed many weeks before the year-end deadline, and the remaining portion is expected to be completed on time after environmental permitting delays. The client was very satisfied with the timely and efficient manner of completion. Mark Reeves, Sound Transit's landscape project manager, shared these words.
The crew has been very responsive to my needs. They don't have to go back and check on every little day-to-day thing. It's just been a win-win all around.
Let us show you the power of Davey Utility Solutions.